Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to give you a complete guide to Wix for Beginners 2022 edition, and this is part 1 of the video. So if you want to see the rest of these videos, please make sure to subscribe. It is completely free and it lets YouTube know that you like this content. So the first thing you have to do is type in Wix.com. I'm just going to click on it right here. That should then open your account. If you are not already signed in, just make sure to sign in. It'll be on the top right corner. After you do that, you can just simply click on create new site here or here. So I'm just going to click on that. Then it'll ask you a few questions. So just go ahead and type in whichever business or website type you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead with technology company. Then I'm just going to click on next. It's going to ask you what kind of features you want to add in, and it'll recommend it for you based on what you selected in the previous question. I'm just going to add in a few features here. All right. So now that I've gotten a few features, I'm going to click on next. And then you can either let Wix create a website for you or create your website with the editor. And for this video, I'm just going to show you how to create your own website with the editor. That way you have the basics to create as many websites as you want and to customize it as much as you want. So first we're going to find a template. Of course, you could completely go blank. Just comment down in the comment section below if you guys want me to create a video where I just completely start with a blank template. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and just select a random template. So I think this template right here is pretty cool, so I'm just going to click on edit. All right, before we actually start customizing, first I'm just going to quickly give you kind of a tour of the dashboard and then the main menu. So firstly, we have this add button, which is one of the most important parts of the dashboard. If you click on add, it'll give you all of these options for different elements that you can add. You can add text, image, gallery, whatever you'd like. And then you can add in menus and pages. So right now it's giving you these different pages based on the template, but you can go ahead and customize those by clicking on these 3 dots. So you can change the SEO basics, you can rename it, duplicate it, copy it, delete it, and even change the settings. And then over here we have blog pages, so you can go ahead and edit your blog posts. And then over here we have the site design, so everything that has to do with the appearance. So you can change the color, text, and theme. So make sure to keep watching until the end of the video because I will show you guys how to go ahead and customize that. You can change the background and you can change the page transitions. Then over here we can add apps. So in order to add different kind of functionalities into your website, like adding in the ability to chat or have a forum, you can go ahead to this kind of Wix app market. And you can go ahead and scroll through all of these apps. Some of them are free, some of them are not. They require premium membership, but there are a lot of free options here as well. So you can go ahead and search up whatever app you'd like, and you can go ahead and install that by simply selecting the app that you'd like, and then clicking on add to site. Next thing you can do is add media. So you can actually link up your social media, your Facebook, Instagram account, etc. Or you can actually upload your own images. So as you can see, I've already uploaded in the Teen Techie logo. You can add in photos, your own videos, and you even have access to free Wix images, free Wix videos, and some Shutterstock images and videos as well. Then you can go ahead to my blog. You can go ahead and manage your blog all here. So everything you need to change and customize your blog is right here. And lastly, we have some business tools. Is kind of on the back end. It helps you with search optimization. It helps you add videos, email marketing, etc. So that is kind of the main dashboard. So now let's look at the kind of menu over here, the top menu. So if you hover over site, it gives you the option to save. You can preview it, get feedback, publish. It gives you all these sort of options over here. And over here we've got settings. You can actually connect your domain, you can get a mailbox, and you can use all these other tools over here. You've got developer mode. If you have experience in JavaScript, or if you have previous experience with coding websites, you can go ahead and turn on developer mode. But of course this is a tutorial specifically for beginners, so we will not actually turn on this developer mode. So over here we've actually got the more accessible kind of tools you can use issues, you can actually save. So autosave is actually on, but it actually helps. It's just a good habit to have to just save every 5 minutes. Just click on save, it'll save it for you. And then you can actually turn autosave on and off. I'd recommend keeping it on, but for whatever reason, if you like it off, you can click on Command Option A. And then over here, we've got preview. So if you actually click on preview, it shows you kind of what your website looks like for anyone who's just on your website and just viewing it. Now, we just have to click on back to editor to get back to our Wix website editor. And the last thing over here is publish. So you've got a couple of tools over here, things like redo, undo, you can zoom out, reorder, you can click on these tools. You've got a couple of tools such as toolbar, layers, grid lines. Grid lines kind of help so that you can kind of drag in elements and so that it's kind of everything is lined up. You've got the snap to objects, you got rulers over here if you'd like to, do some measurements and dimensions. You turn that off for now. You can go ahead and search the editor. If you find that you can't find specific things, this kind of helps. So now we've gone through both the dashboard and the menu. Let's get to the fun part. The first thing we're going to do is just change the theme. So if you're wondering how do I change the overall theme here, all you have to do is click on, let's say, site design, and then you can click on customize here. You can customize both the color and the text theme. So we're going to click on that. And what it will do, which is actually pretty cool, it's going to customize the entire theme of your website. So this is just the quickest way to change the overall appearance of your site. So it gives you a couple of options here. I'm just going to scroll through here and just find one that I like. So I've just clicked on, random theme that I like. But of course I want to customize it a little bit more. So if you want to customize the colors, you click on colors. So it's going to open this for you, and then it'll give you all the different colors that it currently has for your theme. But of course you can go in and edit those colors. So I'm actually going to make this a bit of a teen techie theme. So now that you've got all of your colors, you can go ahead and go back, and then you can go ahead and customize your text. You can look at our current text theme is Avenir, and you can actually just click on change, and then it'll give you a lot of different text themes here. I'm just going to go through and just find a theme. All right, so I just clicked on that theme there, and now that will be our theme. So we can go click on back, and now we have our new theme, and it has all of these different theme text styles, and you can go ahead and edit each of them. So we've got this one right here. You can go ahead and change the font size as you'd like. Go ahead and change the color, go ahead and make it darker and apply that. So just remember, whenever you make a change, you want to go ahead and click on apply. All right, once you're done, you can go ahead and click back. So now we've got our overall theme customized. So the next thing we have to do is the page background. So we can go ahead and customize that by clicking on, customize, and you can click on whatever background you'd like. And you can either do, just a color, an image, or a video. And if you click on image, you can actually upload your own, or you can look at media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. Kind of like this one. So we're going to click on that. You can click on change background. Do that. And it has went ahead and changed the background for us right there. So now you can see the background there. So now that we have our page background, you can change the transitions. I think I'm going to do that a little bit later, so we can just X out of that for now. So now that we have the background, we've got the theme, and we've got the text, we can go ahead and change this navigation bar, because right now, to be honest, it's looking a little ugly. So all you have to do is just click on this change header design. You can click on that. It's going to give you your current header, a couple of themed header, and it's going to give you a couple more options for a header. You can just click on whichever one you like, or you can even click on customize the design. I'm going to actually change this color. I don't really like it. We're going to go with one of our theme colors that we've already chosen. Go with this dark purple actually, and then got out of that. But now you can see it's just the sides, which doesn't really look that good. So we're going to have to change. Okay, so we're going to have to change the background one column at a time. So we have to change column background, change the color. We're going to choose the same color, click on that like so, X out of that. Second column, change the background. And just keep in mind, in yours, there might not be columns. It might just allow you to change the strip header. But my template that I've chosen, it has 3 separate columns. So I have to change each of the column backgrounds here. So Now we've got just a streamline color just all across, just this dark purple here. So now I've got the navigation bar background kind of how I want it. So let's just start customizing left to right. So right here we have this little logo. I'm actually going to go ahead and change that logo to the Teen Techie logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and download that. All right, so now in order to change this logo, all you have to do is click on this, and then you can click on change vector art, and then you can either choose media from Wix, or you can actually upload your own image, which I'm going to quickly do. So you click on upload media, and you can just drag and drop from your computer. All right, so now it is uploading our file. So now we have the Teen Techie logo, and we can go ahead and crop this. We can adjust it. We can cut out the background, whatever we'd like. So I'm kind of interested in how this actually, oh nice, it actually does quite a good job of cutting out the background. That's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna add this a little bit, and you can crop it, you can adjust it. So if you go in crop, you can crop this however you like. You can enhance it, adjust it, and you can just play around with all of these. I'm just gonna save this for now. Oh, only vector art can be added. All right, so apparently it only allows you to add vector art. That presents a little bit of a challenge, but it'll help me show you guys how to actually add images, so that's all right. So you click on add, you can go ahead to images and go to my uploads. I should have already uploaded both Teen Techie logos. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Click on that, add to page. Now I've got to resize this, so we are actually going to go ahead and remove this. And if you're wondering like how exactly do I make sure that the logo is inside of this kind of, you could call it container, you go ahead and delete the vector art there and just drag and drop it in there. I'm just going to go ahead and drag that however I'd like, and I just realized I want to crop it so that it doesn't actually have this Teen Techie in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and crop, click on crop. Just going to quickly crop that out there. All right, apply. There we go. Now we've got the cropped image here. I'm gonna drag that a little bit over there. In order to change text, all you have to do is double click it. So I'm just gonna add in Teen Techie there. So as you can see, look at the spacing. I don't really like it. So all you have to do is drag it. So now let's move on to the actual menu, the actual functional part of the menu. So now we've got these home, work with me, blog, and contact. So you click on this, and then it should show you horizontal menu. Click on manage menu, and then you've got all of these pages, and I'll show you how to change the name. All you have to do is double click it, and then just change the name. So let's just change that to YouTube. It's accidentally moved me to this contact me part. So all you have to do to get back to home is just click on this upper right corner, click on home, and it'll bring you back to home there. While I'm here with the horizontal menu, I'm just going to show you how to add pages. So what you can do is, in order to change the order, all you have to do is click on these dots and drag it. And as you can see, it'll refresh and change right like there. And then you can go ahead and actually add a new page by clicking on this either add a blank page, or you can go ahead and look at these different pages here. I recommend to start to get one of these template pages. So I'm just going to click on a random page. All right, let's just get a general page in here. So we're just gonna add this page, this random page. So we've added this page. All right, so I just add that page in just to show you guys how to add pages. You can actually make pages within other pages. So all you have to do is drag, and then drag it directly on top. As you can see, it'll make it a kind of a sub page. So you can drag it under YouTube, and now general is a sub page of YouTube. But now you've got the Wix site search. Just generally, it's all right to keep that there. I'm just gonna keep it there for now. Kind of a handy tool there. And of course, over here we've got our social media bar. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to link your social media in here. So you can just click on social links, and what that should do is allow you to add and remove icons. So let's say we want to add icon. All right, so we're just gonna click on this YouTube icon. We're gonna click on white since all the other ones are white. So let's just click on add to gallery, and that will actually add in the gallery for us. So now we've got the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Let's just delete this LinkedIn one for now. We can go ahead and add new icons if you want. We can change the settings over there if you'd like. Go ahead and replace. You can add titles. Now for the actual functional part, you can go ahead and click on add a link. So I'm going to add a web address. So I'm going to quickly just copy in my YouTube channel. Here, we're just going to copy that in, paste in the URL, and now you can quickly change whether you want it to open a new window or current window. I'd recommend a new window. You can click on done. So now you have your link actually set up. So all you have to click on is done. And so now we have our entire navigation bar customized. I'm just going to click on preview just so that we can go ahead and take a look at our navigation bar and our finished theme. And if you click on this YouTube, it will actually open up my YouTube channel, which is really cool. So you can go ahead, and now we have all of our social medias linked right here. So to recap, I showed you guys how to create your Wix website, how to select your own template, and I showed you guys how to create your own custom theme that runs throughout the whole website with just a streamlined font, a streamlined colors. I showed you guys how to customize your own navigation bar with changing the background color, adding your own logo, your own website title, all of these different pages in here, and even how to add a little sub page, how to rearrange those pages, even how to link your social media so that if you click on each respective social media, it'll bring you to your social media page. If this video was helpful and you want to see me customize the rest of this website so that I can show you guys in a step-by-step manner how to customize your very own website from start to finish, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, it is completely free and it really helps out my channel and it helps me create helpful videos like this. Make sure to like this video and comment down in the comment section below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.